So, not quite a problem with our 5th gen. Well, one of them. Of course, B is always great car. Now that I said something, should probably be messed up soon. Go figure. But in any case, onto the white one, the manual. So, show you guys what we got going on. So of course we're here. Let's go underneath, show you the problem is. This thing, when we drive, take off in first, because yes, she's manual. So when we put her in first gear, it makes a horrible thunking, knocking noise. You can feel it throughout the entire center console. Well, a lot of people are saying, it's your diff, oh, it's your axles, it's this. No. I get under there, show you guys what it is. Now, pardon the mess, because obviously exhaust has to come down, because why not, and it's in the way. So just take off the hangers in the back, it'll drop down. And then of course, take your heat shield, and you get down here, you can kind of see part of it. But, now, as you guys can see, if it focuses, that's the carrier bearing. Yeah. And that's the other half of the carrier bearing. So the whole time, this thing is just thunking around. There's nothing that supports the center. So, if you guys get that nice little thunk, whether it be manual or automatic when it's going, check that. And I know it's a pain in the butt. Exhaust is in the way, heat shield's in the way. You can't really get a visual on it. But one thing you can do is get under there as close to the center as possible. And just with your hands, just push it up. If there's any movement, it's done. It means that you need a carrier bearing. And yeah, they ain't cheap. And if you need it quick, well, just like us, you gotta pay for it. But just a quick note, if you got, like I said, one of these 5th gens, like this bad boy, you know, or B sitting over there, is gonna be what it is. I mean, we've gone through, we've checked the axles. I did replace one that had a leaky boot, and well, obviously it didn't fix the problem. So, but in any case, now you guys know. So, just a little tip for you. Later, heathens.